Mastering quality systems compliance. We audit suppliers to avoid catastrophic regulatory failures. Why do we have a well-defined process in place for conducting thorough supplier quality audits and evaluations to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards? Establishing a well-defined process for conducting thorough supplier quality audits and evaluations is crucial to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards. This process is vital to guarantee that suppliers meet the required standards, and their products or services conform to the specified quality, safety, and performance requirements. A well-defined process for conducting supplier quality audits and evaluations involves several key elements. First, a comprehensive supplier selection and qualification process should be in place, which includes assessing the supplier's quality management system, technical capabilities, and compliance with relevant regulatory requirements. This process helps to identify and select suppliers that can meet the required quality standards. Once a supplier is selected, a thorough audit and evaluation process should be conducted to assess the supplier's quality management system, manufacturing processes, and product quality. This process should be based on a risk-based approach, focusing on high-risk suppliers and products. The audit and evaluation process should be conducted by trained and qualified auditors who have a deep understanding of the regulatory requirements, industry standards, and quality management principles. The audit and evaluation process should assess the supplier's quality management system, including their quality policy, organizational structure, responsibility and authority, documentation and records, resource management, product design and development, production and service operations, performance monitoring and measurement, and corrective action and continuous improvement. Additionally, the audit and evaluation process should assess the supplier's manufacturing processes, including their design, production, packaging, labeling, and distribution processes. The audit and evaluation process should also include a review of the supplier's compliance with regulatory requirements, such as good manufacturing practices, GMP, good laboratory practices, GLP, and good clinical practices, GCP, as well as industry standards, such as ISO 9001-2015. The audit and evaluation process should also assess the supplier's performance history, including their quality metrics, customer complaints, and product recall history. Following the audit and evaluation, a comprehensive report should be generated, detailing the findings and identifying any deficiencies or areas for improvement. The report should provide a clear and concise summary of the audit and evaluation results, including any nonconformities or deficiencies identified during the audit. The report should also provide recommendations for corrective actions and continuous improvement. The audit and evaluation process should be repeated at regular intervals, such as annually, to ensure that the supplier continues to meet the required quality standards. Additionally, the process should include provisions for surprise audits and evaluations, which can be conducted at any time, to ensure that the supplier is maintaining compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards. In addition to the audit and evaluation process, a well-defined process for conducting thorough supplier quality audits and evaluations should also include provisions for supplier training and development. This can include training programs, workshops, and seminars, designed to educate suppliers on quality management principles, regulatory requirements, and industry standards. Finally, a well-defined process for conducting thorough supplier quality audits and evaluations should include provisions for continuous monitoring and improvement. This can include regular quality metrics reporting, performance tracking, and continuous improvement initiatives, designed to ensure that suppliers continue to meet the required quality standards. In conclusion, a well-defined process for conducting thorough supplier quality audits and evaluations is essential to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards. This process helps to guarantee that suppliers meet the required quality standards, and their products or services conform to the specified quality, safety, and performance requirements. By establishing a comprehensive and systematic approach to supplier quality audits and evaluations, organizations can mitigate risks, improve quality, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and industry standards.